easy to fake up a personality in front of someone. See, जो घुटन तुम्हें बाद में होगी ना कि अरे मैं अपना रियल सेल्फ नहीं हूँ, आई एम नॉट रियल मी, रेड मी. सो देर वॉज माई फ्रेंड, और उसके साथ जब भी कोई बहुत अच्छा बिहेव करता है या फिर मतलब इफ़ यू टॉक टू हर नाइसली एंड यू डिड लाइक वो बॉक्सेस होते हैं ना जिसमें टिक मार करते रहते कि गुड बिहेवियर, और वो टेबल पुल कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने तुम्हारे लिए डोर पुल किया और खाना का बिल, वॉट एवर यू कॉल इट, अ प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट, उसको अगर वो प्रोवाइड करो ना तो वो खुश हो जाएगी, तुरंत तुरंत वो तुम पे यकीन कर लेगी एंड विल गिव यू योर हार्ट एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. आई एम लाइक सी इट्स नॉट लाइक आई केम टू एन रियलाइजेशन एट दैट टाइम, बट नाउ इफ आई थिंक अबाउट इट कि ये इंसिडेंसेस को मैं याद करती हूँ तो इट्स लाइक the thing is it's so easy to just fake up your personality in front of anyone. Like you conventionally know now कि girls want a princess treatment, boys wants like someone who's just like a little bit like their mom and all those things. You have a lot of information about the common people that which type of treatment or whatever will be their choice, basically how to behave in front of someone. That's why you see like a lot of social media personalities who just are not as same as in real life situation as they pretend to be on camera. But the problem is not like this. The problem is if you're getting inspired or if you're getting into a relationship with a real personality who is faking up their personality so much that you get manipulated and you get your time invested and wasted, that's a fucking up situation, right? So because of that reason I have developed something in my personality to note down, to registering of the small things of a personality. For example, हम कहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं और अगर तुम लेट हो गए तो मैं वो पहला दिन रजिस्टर कर लूँगी तुरंत. आई वोंट फॉरगिव यू. इट्स लाइक इट्स नॉट दैट कि मैं दिल पे ले लूँगी, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मैं भूल जाऊँगी मेरे दिमाग से. एवरी स्मॉल जेस्चर्स, लाइक इफ़ यू आर एंग्री एंड इफ़ यू सेड समथिंग, that I will remember, and those things just pile up. I was in a time where like everybody was convincing me that that person is wrong, and at the end he did cheated on me. But the thing is, I never registered those things, right? I never registered those things. I'm like, okay, fine, he's behaving good. But the thing is, that's why important to register the small actions. Do not go on to the words. ये तो बहुत ही ज़रूरी चीज़ है. Do not go on to the words. I won't name the person. तो मैं B के साथ घूम रही थी. And by the way, B is a little dark skinned, okay? And she also hate like if someone calls her dark skin or something. Like she knows the pain basically to get bullied upon the looks again and again and again. One day I was just walking with her and she just started talking about one of his cousins, that ki, oh he is in that he is in a relationship, and do you have seen the girl, like how she looks, how like she's not that fair. I'm like, fair? She's not that good looking. You are just getting bullied for it, right? And how can you just say it? It's not like a person is particularly right or wrong, but the thing which really is reflecting is you have the mindset of it, right? मैं कितनी भी गुस्सा हो जाऊँ ना, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि अरे तुम तो कितनी ही बुरी दिखती हो. मैं नहीं बोलूँगी, क्योंकि inside my heart, the way I'm just grown up, inside my heart there's one thing, that beauty doesn't matter that much. So I don't count if you, even if you're ugly, I don't count it as a disadvantage in my heart, okay? So whenever I'm angry or whenever I'm something, like after this incident happened, I just told my other friend about this कि don't you think this is a little wrong? And she said, हाँ वो कौन सी बहुत सुंदर दिखती है. बाय द वे इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम तक मेरे दिमाग में वो आया भी नहीं था कि वो भी तो सुंदर नहीं दिखती. बट द थिंग विच रियली शॉक्ड मी इज़ कि ये बंदी भी बोल दी. सो आई एम लाइक, it's like after noticing some registering details of someone, you'll get to know that yeah, they're not that green flag or they're not that red flag. You'll just be a little aware. Like if you even see me on camera, at after a point of time तुम्हें recognize हो जाएगा कि ये चीज़ थोड़ी अजीब थी. वो जो थोड़ी अजीब थी ना, उसको तुरंत रजिस्टर कर लेना. वो जो थोड़ी अजीब थी, क्योंकि वी आर नॉट कॉन्स्टेंटली मीटिंग, राइट? तो वो जो थोड़ी अजीब थी उसको थोड़ा रजिस्टर कर लेना. जो थोड़ा अच्छा था उसको रजिस्टर कर लेना. तुरंत रजिस्टर करो. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि हम कभी अर्थक्वेक तो आने से रोक नहीं सकते. यू विल गेट इन्वॉल्व विद पर्सन्स हु आर अ लिटिल मैनिपुलेटिव और नार्सिसिस्ट और एनीथिंग. But the thing which really matters is, were you prepared for it? Like when that person leave me after cheating, was I was I prepared for it? Basically बात ये हो जाती है, या तो तुम उस इंसान को छोड़ दोगे या तो थोड़े प्रिपेयर हो जाओगे कि ये ऐसे नहीं है, थोड़े से ऐसे भी हैं. तो फिर you just get a glimpse of their personality by registering their behaviors. See, I think as a human being, you're a domestic person, right? You're a domestic animal and you need people around you. And the thing which I really insist on, that your environment matters a lot. So life में problems कम नहीं है that you take more problems of like people. If you just register their behaviors, you get to know that whom I want to be a little close, and after this incident happened, how much I want to be a little close, कितनी distance रखनी है. You'll get a certain idea or a glimpse of it, right? And you will choose your relationships wisely. And I think the moment I have started this thing, like registering of the person's behavior, I think I have improved my circle a lot. Like just around the people who just makes me feel a little motivated towards life, a little better towards life. So yeah, it's going good, but this is the only suggestion that I can give you. Rest all is on you. Radhe Radhe.